Welcome back, my dear student. In this lecture here, I want to give you some Laravel updates information. Now, we start this course in version 5.2. And that's not bad news, actually. That's really good news for us. Because, I like to make this course a course that you can come back and reference to. That's why I decided to update this course all the time. So, we start updating our course in section 33. So right now, you're going to start the course in version 5.2. You're going to learn all the fundamentals from the beginning of Laravel, everything from scratch. All right? Really cool stuff. You're going to learn all the fundamentals. Then we're going to build a project with the same version. And then we're going to keep updating our project as newer versions of Laravel come out. So why is that good? Because sometimes companies don't update their applications right away. Updating is really tough when you have a huge application online. All right, you got to be careful. So you're going to have companies out there that are going to hire developers to update their applications, to actually fix their applications because they are running a older version of Laravel or something, right? Well, with this course, you're going to learn the older versions and you're going to learn how to update to the newer versions all the time. Not only that, but I'm also going to explain some of the differences. So I'm going to give you a little lecture on some of the differences between whatever version we had before to the newer versions. That way you have something there, some type of idea. And if you have questions, you can post it in the discussions, or even you can look it up real quick online because you already know what to look for. All right. Now, so for example, we start this course in version 5.2. We build a project in version 5.2, and then we start updating in section 33 to 5.3. And that's how the course is going to be structured. When the newer version of Laravel comes out, I'm going to create a section that is going to explain to you the differences between the version before and the newer version, and it's going to show you how to update your project. All right. Now, I do suggest for you to continue the version that we start this project with, which is version 5.2, until we update. That way you can get that knowledge from the past versions. All right, and then you can get, so that way you know the differences between that old version and the newer versions, which is pretty cool stuff. Because later on you can say, you know what, I don't like the way things are done now. I'm going to customize my framework a little bit. All right, so it's up to you. If you're well versed in PHP and you say, you know why, I don't want to start it in version 5.2, I want to start it in the latest version, go ahead. Jump to the latest, to a section where your current version it's mentioned, and you look at the differences and start the project in that latest version. All right. So a quick trick is Command F or Control F on your browser. Look for the keywords Laravel update, or look for the keywords in your version. So if you are starting the course and your current Laravel version is 5.7, look for that keyword in the Command F when you do Command F or Control F in your browser, 5.6, and it will jump you to that specific section. All right, when you search it. So one thing to know here that I also wanted to mention is that when we install Laravel, we use a program called Composer. Now, Composer sometimes also changes. They also change their command line, and when that happens, what I did is that I created these pop-up notices on the videos. So when I'm typing in a new command in Composer, and they happen to change their command lines to a newer one, I always update those videos. So you will see a orange pop-up window come out. Notice come out on the video telling you, hey, listen, this Composer command has changed. I want you to instead write this command to make it work. So basically, I keep updating the course, guys. All right, you're gonna see notices in the videos, and you're gonna see Edwin from the future, or you're gonna see slides like this, lectures like this. I will explain some things, some differences. All right, my goal is to keep this course updated all the time. You can come back and reference this course in every newer version of Laravel. And if you have any questions, guys, I'm very easy to find. You can find me at edwindiaz.com. You can email me at edwin@edwindiaz.com. You can find me in coding faculty, edwin@codingfaculty.com. You can post a discussion here, or you can even send me a private message. You can find the courses on Facebook, you know, very easy. So thank you so much for watching these lectures. Thank you so much for joining the course, and I'll see you in the next lectures.